we have to evaluate this. Without even solving anything, the answer to this question is 0. You'll be wondering how. I'll use a property. We have a definite integral property that states that if you have integral of a, that's from minus a, the lower limit is minus a to a of fx dx, the answer is, it depends, is either 0 or the answer is 2 integral from a, that's 0 to a of fx dx. So that's the value. This is when, that's when this is an odd function. Odd function means f minus x will be equal to minus fx. That is, if you substitute the negative of whatever that is here, it will be the same thing as minus fx, the original. Why this one? When that's odd, when that's odd function. Or this, when fx is equal to negative of that, if you substitute the negative, they are the same. So this is even. So using the same property here, our answer is 0 because what is here, that's a minus a, and sine is always an odd function. It's an odd function. So the answer is 0. Therefore, integral of pi over 3 negative pi over 3 of sine 3x dx is 0, because sine is an odd function. You know, it's an odd function. Check it now. Sine raised to power 3 means sine x. That's sine 3x means that. And if you substitute, our fx is sine x raised to power 3. If you substitute sine negative x, it will be the same thing as minus sine x raised to power 3. So what do you notice? This is now minus sine 3x, which is minus fx. See our fx. So if you substitute negative, so the answer is 0. Answer is A. So the next, a boy blows a balloon and its volume increases at the rate of pi times 30 minus 4 t raised to power 3 meter cube per second at t seconds. If initially the volume was 9 m cube, find the volume after 3 seconds. So they gave us that dv over d, remember time, that's rate, is pi 30 minus 4 t raised to power 3. So let's cross multiply. So we have dv is now pi 30 minus 4t cube dt. So we now introduce the integral because we have to find the volume. So introducing integral sign to both sides, we have v is now integral of pi 30 minus 4t raised to power 3 dt. So we now integrate. So remember, this is a constant, so bring it out. Pi integral of 30 minus 4t cube dt. So what's the integral of 30? This is 3. So we have pi bracket 30t minus this 4t, 3 plus 1 over 4. We have t raised to power 4 plus k, the constant. They said if initially the volume was 9 meter cube, we have to find the volume after 3 seconds. Initially means at t equal to 0. Our volume is 9. So we have the volume is now 9 pi 30t minus t raised to power 4 plus k. So we know that t is 0. So 0 0. So what we have is k is 9. If you substitute this 0, 0, so k is 9. So they now ask us to find the volume at t equals 3. So our volume is now, what's the original pi? Our volume is now pi 30 times 3 minus 3 raised to power 4 plus k is 9. So looking at this is 33. So I'm bringing out 3. That means 3 times 10 times 3. So I'll bring out 9 out. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'll bring out 9. So I have 9 pi. So remaining 10 here. Remember I brought 3 square, which is 9. Remaining 3 square. 3 squared is 9 plus 9. So we have this 1. So our answer is factor. We'll factor up 9. We have pi plus 1. So that's the answer. The answer is C.